Here resides the Mother Spark. Here unites the sculpture folk, coming from within the dark. Embrace the storm and be awoke. The sparkles jump from here to there, the lightning zapping everywhere. This place is thrilling, and I swear you can feel current in the air. For many years or so I'm told, I'll make a crave to take a hold of ways to use the lightning bolt to build and forge and cut and mold.
Electrify, I'll petrify, and I'll electrify, I'll petrify, electrify, I'll petrify, and I'll electrify, I'll petrify. All clear the stage, all stand aside. We emerge from where we used to hide. Thunder striking to show our silhouettes, our quintets and quartets. In dusk begun, in storms we cry, sculptures for you to bring to light. In a flash our flesh unpetrifies, our impetus